Hello everyone, I am California, a red-crowned crane born in Jiangsu, China. Do you know why I have this English name? In 2023, California Governor Gavin Newsom visited my home, Jiangsu and Wetland Rare Birds National Nature Reserve. At only 1 year old, I acted as their guide. We had a great time, and the museums even gave me an English name, California, hoping that I could become an envoy of Jiangsu, California friendship. In February 2024, a group of crane lovers created a social media account called Crane Cow with my name to educate people about the red-crowned cranes. More and more people are learning about us and joining the conservation work. If you want to see adorable baby cranes, I often live stream their growth. They are super cute and heart-melting. In Chinese Kung Fu, there are many moves named after the crane. I love my hometown very much. As an international wetland city, Yancheng is the world's largest wintering ground for red-crowned cranes, and about 3 million migratory birds breed or winter here every year. My friends, the spoon-billed sandpiper, Milo deer, and other endangered animals are all permanent resistant here. I heard about a bird species in California called sandhill crane that looks similar to me. They enjoy wintering in California's Central Valley. Thanks to the efforts of the local government and the farmers, the sandhill crane population in California has been increasing. As a red-crowned crane, I want more people to pay attention to nature and guard our planet. Jiangsu and California have a lot of exchanges in the field of combating climate change. I hope that the friendship between the two places will last forever, and I also hope that my friends in California will come to visit me more often.